Assalamualaikum, my name is Maisarah and I will explain about our project. Our group need to develop a simple yet practical program called a currency converter system. It's a console-based application which means it's run in the terminal without any graphic. So the purpose of this system is to help user convert money from one currency to another using predefined exchange rates. We support five currency: Malaysian Ringgit, USD, Yen, GBP, and Euro. And the program let user pick the source and target. They can enter how much money they want to convert and immediately see the result. This project use all the basic concept that we learned in class, like variable, arrays, functions, validation, and menus. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Mahirah. Let's dive into the key feature of our system. We go to content. First, it offers a bilingual interface, allowing users to choose between Bahasa Melayu and English for all prompts. Second, it supports currency conversion between five currencies as shown here: Malaysian Ringgit, US dollar, Yen, Pound Sterling, and Euro. The system has an intuitive menu where user can select convert currency or exit. Most importantly, it includes robust error handling to validate user input like invalid menu choices, negative amount, or non-numeric inputs to trigger and display appropriate error messages and prompt the user to try again. For example, entering an invalid currency choice display pilihan tidak sah or invalid input, ensuring a smooth user experience.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Najwa. So now I will explain the logic and structure of the program. So the program begins by calling the choose language function, where the user is select either English or Bahasa Melayu. If the input is invalid, the program will automatically default to English. After that, the shown menu function display the main menu with two choices, either convert currency or exit. The user choice is handled inside a do-while loop with a switch structure, which keep the program running until the user select exit. So next, I'm going to explain about the conversion process. Next, if the user choose to convert currency, the program runs convert currency. This function asks the user to choose the source and target currency from a list shown by display currency. Both choices are validated using function call is valid choice to make sure the number entered is within the correct range. So next, the user enter the amount they want to convert. The program checks if the amount is valid, if it cannot be negative or non-numeric. If the input is wrong, it will ask the user to try again and re-enter the input. The currency conversion use a 2D array called exchange rate, which store predefined conversion rate between each currency. The calculation is done using the formula given, which is result equal to amount multiply exchange rate from -1 and 2 -1. This multiplies the amount by the correct rate based on the source and the target currency. The currency name are stored in a string array and the output is format using set precision 2 to display two decimal places. So that's all from me.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Binti Mohamad Fazilah. So now I will show live demonstrates how our currency converter systems works using real inputs. So our system support two language, which is English and Bahasa Melayu. So I will show you both in this demo. So first I will run the programs. So the system asked me to choose language, which is one for Bahasa Melayu and two for English. So now I enter two to select English. Now the main menu and message will appear in English. So from the menu, I select option 1 for convert currencies. and the system display a list of available currencies. So now I will convert MYR to USD. So I choose source currency is 1 and target currency is 2, which is USD. So for the amounts, I enter 100 as the amounts, and the system use a fixed exchange rate, which is 100 MYR equal to 21 USD. So let's test an invalid amounts. For examples, negative amounts. So for amounts, we use negative amounts. So the system will detect it as invalid and show an error message, which is invalid amounts, and try again. So now I will restart the program and choose Bahasa Melayu as the system language. Restart again. So I choose one for Bahasa Melayu, and the same things. So this time when the program asks for language, I enter once. So now the system entire interface switches to Bahasa Melayu. So that's end of my demo. As you can see, the system works the same way regardless of the selected language, and all message are localized accordingly. So it's perform real-time currency conversions using fixed exchange rate, and also validates input properly. So thank you from me.